Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the introduction to nursing theories. What do you mean by a theory? A theory is a set of concepts, definitions, relationships and assumptions that project a systematic view of a phenomenon. It may consist of one or more relatively specific and concrete concepts and proportions that purport to account for or organize some phenomenon. What are the components of a theory? The theory consists of mainly four components. First is a concept. Concept means the ideas and mental images that help to describe a phenomenon. Then definitions. Definitions are the meaning of concept. The general meaning of the concepts are definition. Assumptions. Assumptions are the statements that describe the concept. And phenomenon. Phenomenon is the aspect of reality that can be consciously sensed or experienced. Next is paradigm. Paradigm means a model that explains the linkage of science, philosophy and theory accepted and applied by the discipline. Then is the domain. Domain means it's a view or perspective of the discipline. A domain contains the subject involved in the theory, the central concept of the theory, values and beliefs and the phenomena of interest and the problems of the discipline. They are the domains. So in nursing theory, we have four domains. If you are taking any of the nursing theory, you can see mainly four domains. They are person or the client, health, environment and nursing. Next is, what is the purpose of a nursing theory? The purpose of a nursing theory is it guides the nursing practice and generates knowledge. It helps to describe or explain nursing. It enables nurses to know why they are doing what they are doing. The types of nursing theories. It includes grand theories. Grand theories are very broad and complex. Middle range theories. Middle range theories addresses a specific phenomena and reflect practice. Then descriptive theories, the first level of theory development, and prescriptive theories, they address the nursing interventions and predict their consequences of the intervention. Why do we study a nursing theory? What is the need of studying a nursing theory? The nursing theory helps us to enrich the everyday practice. Both practice and theory are guided by the values and beliefs. Theory helps to reframe our thinking about nursing. Theory guides use of ideas and techniques. Theory can close the gap between theory and research, also to envision the potentialities. That's why we are saying nursing theory is purely based on the everyday nursing practice. How do the nurses use nursing theory in everyday practice? In everyday practice, the nurses using the nursing theory while organizing the patient data, understand patient data, analyzing of the patient data, make decision about nursing interventions, plan patient care while predicting the outcomes of patient care, and also during evaluation of patient outcomes. Also, how does the student nurses use the nursing theory? The student nurses uses the nursing theory by putting two questions. What is the nature of nursing knowledge we need to practice the nursing? Also, what does it mean to me to practice nursing? Also, nursing uses non-nursing theories in day-to-day activities. Examples are systems theory, basic human needs theory by Abraham Maslow, then health and wellness models, stress and adaptation, developmental theories, psychosocial theories. What is the link between a nursing theory and the research process? The nursing theory provides the direction for nursing research. Also, the relationship of components in a theory help to drive the research question for understanding nursing. Next is the current trends that influence the nursing theory. The current trends include medical science, nursing education, professional nursing organizations, evolving research approaches, global concerns, consumer demands, and technologies. This all will influence the nursing theory. Thank you.